I'll break down on your USD trade that I took. So first of all, I like to go to my daily time frame to see the overall bias and market trend. So right now, let's start from here. The current order flow in the daily time frame is from here. So it was in a downtrend, low high, low low, a change of character, then a pullback, like he was going to reverse, and that became an inducement. Another inducement, then finally a change of character to the downside again. Then it did another pullback, low, 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 a change of character at this point, change of character, then pullback. I do not consider this a change of character because I do not consider this a structure because this red candlestick, bearish candlestick, is not inside of this green candlestick. So there's still part of the market move. So I did a pullback. Then another breaker structure here. Then a pullback, breaker structure, and change of character again. Created an inducement. Then another breaker structure. Just changing character again to the upside. Then a pullback, breaker structure. Now another pullback. So then I go to my daily time frame, we're in an uptrend. 4 hours time frame. Let's see what's going on. So 4 hours time frame, here's the current 4 hours low and 4 hours high. So let's move it up here. So that was the current 4 hours high. Then I go to my 50 minutes time frame. No, actually, I still look at the order flow on the 4 hours time frame to see what's going on. So right now, 4 hours order flow, it's in a downtrend. So we're still here. So low high, low low, another pullback. Now the markets is coming down as well. Then I go to my 50 minutes time frame. So here's the previous low and previous high. Then on the pullback on the order flow, low low, low high, low high, low low, low high, low low, low high, low low, change of character, pullback, break of structure to the upside again, pullback, higher high, higher low, higher high, then the change of character again to the downside, which means the 15 minutes pullback, and then change character to the upside, then started a rally up to this point, and then change character again to the downside, which means the pullback is not done yet. So pullback, then break of structure again to the downside from here, pullback, another break of structure up to this point. Then it cleared all this liquidity. This liquidity was taken that it created right here. All liquidity taken around the zone. Then traded up to this point, and after that give this pattern, the bottom pattern. I don't really use pattern a lot, but it's part of just entry confirmation. And the order flow shifted upward again, started going up. Then finally a change of character here. Pullback. Another pullback. So that up to this point, pullback. Now it changed character again to the downside. It got to this gap. There was an imbalance here. And then a change of character again to the downside. Then I go to my 1 minute time frame. So when you change character here, that was on to the trade. So I didn't catch it early, but I saw there was a change of character here and a pullback. break of structure, another pullback, break of structure, another pullback to this point, break of structure, pullback again, then break of structure. So I took the trade from this zone, this place exactly on this pop. Then I put my stop loss just below this recent pullback and giving it enough breathing room just in case market wouldn't manipulate price and then go upwards again. So I took the trade from here and went up to this point. Did another pullback, high. Then on the pullback, I moved my stop loss to this to break even. Left my stop loss on this zone just below the recent pullback. Then now you can see there's another change of character on the 15 minutes imbalance. This could be it could be that it wants to get to this imbalance because there's an imbalance here on the 50 minutes time frame. If we get to this point, it could change character again and start going upward, or the 4 hours order flow. So here's to the lower high, lower low, another lower high. Could be that the 4 hours is not done yet with its pullback because it's still imbalance here on the 4 hours time frame. So we just go with market trend. So right now I'm currently out of this trade. So when the 1 minute time frame shift upward again, actually it shifted upward to this point. I've missed this move. So right now we're bearish in the 1 minute time frame, we're bearish on the 4 hours time frame, and 50 minutes order flow is bearish as well. But the overall on trend for the 50 minutes time frame is bullish. Because here's still the previous low, previous high. So bullish on the 50 minutes time frame, bearish on the 1 minute and 4 hours time frame. So if I see another pullback here, according to the 50 minutes order flow, then I'll take the trade. More first take profit here. Then watch out for price action around the zone to see if I need to hold some profit, some positions longer or not. So that's my breakdown for this trade.